I'm a beginner in English spoken, but I have some previous experience. I start my English spoken journey with one of my senior brother. He is from Bangla department, but we can't continue our journey because his exam schedule, his class schedule, and his study schedule, and my schedule is completely different. For this reason, we can't continue. But I am very grateful to my senior brother because he gave me the opportunity to start my practicing English spoken journey. I try to find out some English spoken practice platform in Google and in YouTube. Then I found one website which is called freefortalk.com. This is very interesting website. Here there are so many foreigners like Indian, European, and also Nepali, Pakistani people. They came here to practice more and more. So I continue here in this platform for at least 1 month. After that, recently I faced some networking issue in this platform. For this reason, I shift from freefortalk.com to English Buddy. And English Buddy it is an Indian app, and 90 to 95% people, they are from India, and some people from Bangladesh and some people from India or other countries, but most of the students, they are from India. I found one thing which is very interesting, that in every platform I see that almost most of the people, they are from India. In our country, top level private university like North South University, East West University, Southeast University, they have a culture to practice English in their day-to-day life. They are talking with their faculty, with their batchmate, and with their seniors in English. But I am from Comilla University, which is a public university, and in our country, the public university students don't have this culture to practice English in their day-to-day life. So that's why now I try to create a platform here in our Comilla University, which is called Comilla University English Club. Actually, you know that I am not a expert in English spoken, and I am not very good at English speaking. I think you can understand, but still I try to improve with my senior, junior, and with my batchmate. Actually, I am fourth year university student. After completing my graduation, I will try to pursuing my higher study in abroad. So for this reason, I have to sit for IELTS exam. I think this is not for me. This is for every student here in our university level. So that's why I will try to work together and improve our English spoken skill, especially public speaking skill and presentation skill. And after that, we will try to organize some events also. From this type of events, we can get some certificate, which is also helpful for getting a scholarship in such type of country. So that's my primary focus. Now I see that our Comilla University students, they are also crazy about learning spoken English. With only one post, I get almost 30 interested people. So I think we will improve our English spoken by this club. So I think every members who express their interest to work with us, they will work together, and they will work actively. By this way, we can improve ourselves, and we can create a platform where the junior students, they also can improve their skill in English spoken, public speaking, and also presentation skill and organizing skill also.